When working on a web service or a specific feature of our API, we send a lot of HTTP requests. And every time we send a request, we then inspect HTTP response to see if it contains expected result. This process of creating new HTTP requests and inspecting HTTP response with Postman is much easier and faster. We do not need to have mobile app user interface or web page user interface ready to be able to test our web service API endpoint. So in simple words, Postman makes this process of creating and testing RESTful web services much more convenient and faster. And we can use Postman for free, and it is available for Mac and Windows and Linux and even Chrome. So the download process is very simple. To download Postman to your computer, just click on, I'm running Mac, so I'm going to click on Mac OS, and it will take me to the page which should begin the download automatically. For me, download has started already. I can see it here in the download section. If it didn't start for you automatically, simply click on this link, manually initiate download, and it should download the file. The download takes about a minute, so I will pause this video and then I will resume in a few seconds when the file is downloaded. Okay, the file is downloaded for me and it was unzipped, and I copied it from downloads folder to my desktop. So I now have it on my desktop. I like to have Postman on my dock, so I will copy it and drag and put it next to NetBeans here so that I have it available in a convenient place. To start Postman, simply click on the Postman icon, and it warns me that application was downloaded from the internet. It's okay, I trust Postman, so I'll simply open it. And here we go, we have Postman running. In the next video, let's talk a little bit about the user interface and how to create HTTP requests using Postman.